Hi everyone, I wanted to share with you all a new Hacipupu that I got. So let's take a look. So I got this one off of Popmart, the website. So let's take a look at what it might be. Here are the options. They're all super cute. Let's open it up. Okay, so let's open it up. So they come in a little pink bag. Let's see what the bag looks like. Perfect for storing stuff. Let's see what I got. Any guesses? And look at it, I love the little face. And it says Popmart on it. And Hacipupu and Popmart on the back. And the little smell is down here. Oh, and it smells so nice. It smells like pineapple. It has a little pineapple on the ear. Super cute. And then the scent, I believe I said it's down here. But it's not very overpowering or anything, which makes it super cute. And it looks perfect. Nothing looks like it's wrong with it. And the little feet are super cute, like rubbery. And this one is mine, the blue one I gave to my daughter. Now I want to show the card. Here's a little card. It says Gummy Bear, and it shows which one you got down here. I like the way the card is made. I love that it's clear. I want to do something with it. My daughter pointed out that it reminds her of a little gummy bear bag, which is super cute. So there it is. Here's everything I received, and I think it's super cute. Let me know if you guys have any Hacipupus or thinking about getting any. They're really cute. The scents, the only two I've gotten, don't seem to be very bad at all. And I love the way this pineapple one smells. I love that it's a color I don't have. I usually go for pinks, as you can tell. And like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.